Alright, let's be real. Shopping for a motherboard can feel like deciphering an alien language. There are so many features, so many acronyms, and everyone's got an opinion. But which motherboard quality of life features are actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's break it down feature by feature, so you know exactly where to spend and where to save. First up, let's talk about BIOS Flashback. This little button can be a total lifesaver. Imagine you buy a shiny new CPU, but your motherboard's BIOS is out of date. Instead of panicking, you just pop in a USB stick, hit the button, and boom, your board updates itself. No CPU or RAM needed. If you ever plan on upgrading your processor, this is a must-have. Next, let's talk debug LEDs. I can't count how many times a tiny red light has saved me hours of troubleshooting. These little indicators tell you exactly where your system is getting stuck during boot, CPU, RAM, GPU. If you're building your own PC, debug LEDs are a game changer. Now, let's get into rear I/O shields. Remember those old metal plates you had to snap in? Yeah, those are pretty much obsolete. Modern boards with pre-installed I/O shields not only look cleaner, but they make installation way less frustrating. Trust me, you'll never want to go back. On the storage front, look for boards with plenty of M.2 slots and easy-to-remove heatsinks. Swapping out or upgrading your SSD shouldn't require a toolkit and a prayer. The more accessible your storage, the easier your future upgrades. Here's a feature you might not think about. Onboard Wi-Fi Bluetooth. Even if you're a die-hard Ethernet fan, having wireless options built in is just convenient. No more fiddling with dongles or PCIe cards. Just connect and go. And let's not forget about USB ports. The more, the better. But pay attention to the types. USB-C high-speed USB 3.2 front panel connectors can make your life so much easier, especially if you're plugging in a ton of gadgets. Finally, let's talk about build quality. Reinforced PCIe slots. Sturdy power delivery aren't flashy, but they keep your system stable and safe, especially if you're rocking a beefy graphics card or planning to overclock. So, which features are really worth it? BIOS Flashback, debug LEDs, pre-installed, I/O shields, solid storage options, onboard Wi-Fi Bluetooth, plenty of modern USB ports. Focus on these, and you'll get a motherboard that actually makes your life easier, not just your wallet lighter. That's it for my feature-first breakdown. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense PC advice. Catch you in the next one.